Okay. So as you can see, it's starting to inflate here. And you want to make sure that all the struts are nice and stiff. Needs to be firm, otherwise the kite's gonna be really floppy on you and you won't get as much performance out of it. So just keep going until you can do the ping test. A little more, you kind of flick it. Needs a tiny bit more. There you go. Stick that in like so and cover it up. And then what you're going to do is, usually it'll be windy. You don't want to kite unless it's about 15 to 30 knots. You're going to grab this by the leading edge. It'll be windy, so it'll be flying like this. I'm not doing it right now. But then what you'll do is you'll flip it over and face it so this leading edge, say the wind is going this way, you want this to be perfectly in the middle. So leading edge going into the wind will be on my back, and that way this will just be, it'll be pushed down like that, and you can get started with your lines. So grab your lines from the bar. I usually keep them all tucked up neat in this bag. So there's little straps there. Okay. What you're going to do, this is a 5-line kite. It's a sea kite. So usually what I do, I'm not going to do all the lines, but just kind of unravel them here a bit. Okay. So you'll unravel your bar, okay? And then you've got different colors on the lines here. The blues are for the back, and then the blacks are for the front edge here. So what you'll do is you'll line them up. Yellow is going to be in the middle, okay? And you'll just put it, attach the blacks, whatever side they end up on. You want to, from the start of the bar, you're going to run it down, yellow in the middle, colors on the outside with your fingers, and put your legs on each side of the yellow. But you're going to run it from the bar, right? Run it all the way down like this. Okay.